Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is crystalline solid. In this topic, I include a relative concept, but some student say how which points are I note for the final paper exams. At the end of lectures, I also denote which point betters you learn for final exams. First, to understand what is crystalline solid. Crystalline solid is a type of solid state physics. First, to understand what is crystalline. What is crystalline? Crystalline, a solid is a pattern in three dimensionals, and any solid which has this property is called crystalline. And then, what is crystalline solid? A solid is said to be crystalline if its constitute mean atoms, ions or molecules are arranged in which a way that their position are perfectly periodic. Perfectly periodic means appearing or occurring at intervals, and this periodicity exists from minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, a large range orders is said to exist in crystals. Large range order arrangement. A large range arrangement. A large range arrangement is said to exist in crystals. Crystalline solid are those in which there is a regular arrangement of atoms or molecules, not discontinuous arrangement. Regular arrangement means same times at same intervals. Okay. And also question we include how we studied the order structure of crystalline solid. How we study the order structures of crystalline solid. We study the order structure of crystalline solid by X-ray diffraction technique. Okay, understand? Most of the solid are crystalline in nature. Also questions how the solid are crystalline in nature. How the solid are crystalline in nature. The energy released during the formation of an order structure is more than the energy released during the formation of disorder structures. Mean order structures order structure energy release is greater than disorder structures energy release. Means the energy release during the formation of order structures is greater than during the formation of disorder structures. Clear? Observations. Observations show that crystals are bonded by optically optically means applied. Also the voice of bike include this during this lecture. I also uh, study about the sound at the end of lectures. Okay, but here is observations. Observation show that crystals are bonded by optically means applied optics. Okay, plane faces. Optics means the study of light, the study of properties of light and production of light using instrument of optics. This is called optics. But here is optically plane faces. Sharp straight lines. Sharp means point that able to cut straight edges and interfacial angles. A goniometer is used to measure interfacial angles. A relationship among these elements can be expressed by the formula F plus C is equal to E plus 2. These relations expressed by the formula F is equal to number of faces, and C is equal to number of angles, and E is equal to number of edges. Okay, clear? From this we only note for the final papers this definition include, and also this point includes. Okay, and this is also a conceptual better if you understand. Okay, and also now properties of crystalline solid. Physical properties: exhibit and isotropic. Exhibit mean perform, perform and isotropic. Also, sharp melting points. And also, what is anisotropic? Anisotropic means different properties in different directions. But isotropic means same properties in same directions. Clear difference? Also, some questions given a papers means paper setters, satin papers. Mean what is the difference between anisotropic and isotropic? Okay, clear? Last one. Last one. The type of crystalline solid. Two type is single crystals, polycrystals. Single. Single mean mono. Okay, mono crystals. Mono crystals. Single crystals that studies single grain. Single grain. Single grain. Okay. The again the periodicity of atom extend throughout the materials as the case of diamond. What is diamond? Diamond means electrical insulated quartz and mica. Quartz means is a hard crystalline minerals composed of silicon and oxygen atoms, and mica group of sheet silicate minerals. Clear? Poly. Poly means many grains of different orientations includes. But here again many grain. A polycrystalline materials is an aggregate mutuals of a number of small crystallines with the randoms. Random means not sequence, unsequences with the random orientations separated by a well-defined boundaries. Separated by a well-defined boundaries. Okay, clear? And this is also include properties of crystalline solid and type of crystalline solid. This is also include for the final papers. Okay.